How to change the game mode in Minecraft fast. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to change the game mode in Minecraft fast. Open the world you want your game mode changed in. This can be your world or a LAN world. To get to a LAN world, tap or click on the Friends tab and then click on the world you wish to open. Then choose your game mode. There are 3 game modes in Console Edition: Survival, Creative, and Adventure. Survival is a game mode where you have to mine, get food, and fight mobs to survive. It is easier to die with threats like zombies, lava, or other players. This is the game mode for a little bit of challenge in the game. Creative is the second game mode. You don't have to worry about health, hunger, and mobs in this mode. You have unlimited resources and items, and you can break any block, including bedrock, fast with no tools. This is the game mode if you want to build for hours on end. Adventure mode is like survival, except you cannot break or place blocks without tools and commands. This game mode is generally not very useful for regular Minecraft play except for custom maps. Note that Spectator mode is only available in the Java edition. Then enter the command. You will need to first press the chat button, the little speech bubble on top of your screen. Then you will need to enter /GameMode0 to go to Survival mode, /GameMode1 to go to Creative, and /GameMode2 to go to Adventure. You can also choose another player's game mode by putting their name in front of the command. For example, to change Bob's game mode to survival mode, you would type in /GameModeBob. You will need to have cheats enabled when you are creating your world for this to work. If you are playing on a LAN world, you will need to be set to operator by the world's owner for this to work. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.